game show Are You Smarter Than a Physicist? Where we have back attractive Iram, which after the Supreme Court case, she was allowed to come back and pronounced as not a cheater, so she can compete today. And she can compete against the proposal right now, which has repulsed everyone that has tried to attract to her. Let's see who the real winner today. Let's start with question 1. Describe how Maxwell, Franklin, and Michelson each contributed to the development of the fundamental forces. Ooh, it seems like both of y'all have a good chance of winning. One more time at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, this seems pretty intense. Let me ask the question again and then y'all can do your thing again. Describe how Maxwell, Franklin, and Michelson each contributed to the development of the fundamental forces. Go ahead, Raina.
Okay, Maxwell unified electric and magnetic forces, being the same different forces.
That's right. Second question. Let's see if you can get it again or I want to catch up. How are magnetism and electrostatics related? Go ahead.
Moving current of electrons produce a magnetic field. Both electric force and magnetic force are the same, which create an electromagnetic force.
That's correct. For the next question, since both of y'all answered one right, and we're going to make this game show shorter, the person that answers this question will win automatically the $1 million. But the loser will lose and not come back to the game show. How many eyes does an alligator from Africa have? Go ahead. 2. No. How many?
7.
No. You have 3 chances in answering this question right. If none of y'all answer it, none of y'all will win the money. Go ahead. 2. No. 3. No. One more chance. Think about it well.
None?
No. Wrong. If Aaron answers this question right, you will be repulsed away. But if she doesn't answer the question, she might win. No, April Fool's is not a question. Let's move on to question 3. Wait. Today's April Fool's. You just got fooled. How do electrons behave in a magnetic field? So, let's see if we're going to have to do another question again. How many electrons behave in a magnetic field? Go ahead.
When an electron moves through in a magnetic field, it induces a EMF, which is an electromotive force.
Wrong. That's right. Okay. Right now, the next part will consist of demonstrations for the next question. So I'm going to give you a quick break so y'all can come back with the materials y'all need and be ready to present. Okay? Well, we'll see you in 5 minutes. 5 minutes later.
Many months later.
Hi guys, welcome back to Are You Smarter Than a Physicist? And from our short break. And we have attractive Iron with 1 point and repulsive Raina with 2 points. Now for this one, we have magnets, which are going to be shown in answering the questions as demonstrations. Okay, question 4. Are y'all ready? Okay. Show the field around a bar magnet. Ira, go ahead. Not even trying.
You can see when we're starting. Okay, so with a bar magnet, you can show the field because when you get close to the nails, they are attracted.
Okay. So she had a bar magnet, and by getting close to the nails, she is showing the field around the magnet as they attract. Okay, that answer was correct. Wait, short item. Seems like it could be a tie or... It's a tie, but let's see. Anyone could win at this time. Question 5. Describe how magnets behave. Show their interactions as they repel and attract. I'm going to ask the question, and then y'all are going to do it one more time. Describe how magnets behave. Show the interactions between magnets as they attract and repel.
So here we have these magnets, and they are labeled. And with these you can show that
The right side is a like. What is the right side? North side?
yes, one is these.
Okay.
Okay, so if you put both of these, which are alike, they don't stick together. And if you put the opposites together, they attract.
Okay, so she put the two red sides, which are the alike sides, and the magnets repel. They don't touch. And then when she put opposites, which was the gray and the red, the magnets attracted. And you can hear the click. Correct. Ira, you get another point. Okay? Question 6. Question 6 is on that board, and the person that can answer the question right will win 1 point, but there's 3 parts to it. Okay? This is what it consists. There are 2 wires moving through them. The first person to hit the button at the count of 3 will get to answer the question. 1, 2, 3. Seems like it's a tie. Ooh. Let's see who gets the next point. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's do another thing. The first person to get this problem right will get to answer it. What is the charge?
Negative.
Oh, wait. Hit the button.
Negative?
Just go into the question, it's not like I really care.
Okay, she's letting you a chance. Go ahead. Question 6 over here. So I'm telling you there are 2 wires with currents inside. The wires are the rectangles and we have magnets. So show me how the current facing the same direction reacts with the magnets and how it reacts when the currents are facing opposite directions.
Okay, well, the arrows represent the currents, and so the currents are going the same, so the magnets are going to attract together. So it's kind of like that.
With the wires? Okay.
Yes.
That's correct. If you answer C, you get a whole point and tie with Ira.
Okay, so these 2 wires, the one current is going this way and the other current is going this way. So the magnets are going to repel. So like
That's correct. You may take a seat and I will go out of the point. You have a side face, I'm going to have a front one. See, as you can see, magnets, there's attract because this is the opposite and there's a line over there, so they attract. Opposites attract. That's why they're still. So now it's 3-3. One more question, and the winner will win $1 million today. Are y'all ready? Yeah, I'm excited for $1 million. Excited? We'll see. Question 7. Show examples of how magnetism and electricity are used in the real world.
electricity and magnetism works together when a person walks across a carpet in a room with low humidity and then the person. The sparks created are caused by the electricity from the friction. This creates a magnetic force field.
That's right. Seems like you're laughing because you were winning. You got the answer right. So it's attractive iron with 3. The physics teacher, which didn't get this right. And I guess you won the $1 million. Okay. We'll see you behind the scenes to see what she's going to do with $1 more million. Hi, welcome back behind the scenes with Repulsive Raina, who has won $3 million right now. She didn't win them today, but over time, she has won $3 million. This is your third time. How do you feel about that?
cool, considering that I wasted my $200 million.
You wasted it?
Yeah, so I feel pretty good that I'm getting another one.
What are you gonna do with this one?
Well, since it's April, it's Easter's coming up, and I need bunnies. Yes, because I need chocolate.
Yeah.
So bunnies equals chocolate. Chocolate equals more brownies. Brownies equals more me happy. I don't get time more cable.
Wait, so it seems like you're gonna be attracted back to our next show, are you?
Well, the aim's kind of close to me. Let's see if I might run out of brownies and
That's good.
I cannot have enough.
We'll see you back. So, how does it feel? Like, how do you know how do you reach the unheard? Like, how do you, like, you let Iron feel like she was winning, and then you crashed her at the very end. How do you always do that?
I'm not gonna be as mean as, not let him get some points, First let him get some points, just my strategy is in my turn.
So you're saying that you sometimes know the answer, but decide not to answer?
Yeah, when I'm sitting there, just back and everything, just letting her go.
You're a pretty smart kid, actually. Alright, so we'll see. She's coming back to our next show to try to win $4 million again. We'll be back to see Raina and our new contestant if she doesn't get repulsed away. We'll see you later.
Attraction. Repulsion. Now I'm lonely. The end.